Uy! New Year na naman! I'm sure excited ka for 2026 and you have a long list of New Year's resolution. But of course, with a New Year's resolution, kailangan mo ng something to help you achieve that goal. Lalo na if that goal is something about fitness or just simply physical health. This device na hawak natin is the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro and ito ang tutulong sa'yo or probably ako to achieve my New Year's resolution. Lalo na yung aking fitness goal. So tara, pag-usapan natin kung paano ka tutulungan na itong watch na ito. Now, of course, a quick word of thanks sa Shopee Mall for making it possible to collaborate with Huawei for this New Year's resolution. Claim big vouchers starting December 20 sa Huawei store page sa Shopee and watch out for daily drops at 12 noon starting December 27 to January 3. And meron kang chance to win the Huawei bundle. Ano nga ba yung bundle na yon? Huawei Pura 80, Huawei MatePad 12X, Huawei Watch GT6 Pro, and ang Huawei Free Clip. Lahat yan apat pag in-add mo, no, it would sum up to 115,996 pesos. Grabe, no? Mapapanalunan mo yung bundle na yun. Check the Huawei Shopee Mall page during that time for more details. So right now, start muna nating week A quick unboxing. Pagbukas natin ng box, andyan of course ang ating Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. We also have a quick start guide and a wireless charging dock. And magnetic naman siya, so makapit naman. And one of the key feature dito sa Huawei Watch GT6 Pro is that it can last me for 21 days on a single charge. Probably this is one of the only fashionable na smartwatch that can last that long. Meron siyang health management and a lot of workout modes. And of course, a quick reminder guys, meron din GT6 in case na medyo mas budgeted kayo, pwede nyo i-consider din ito. For the complete price list ng Huawei GT6 series, here you go. Now, one of the things na sobrang okay dito sa Huawei Watch GT6 Pro, which nagamit ko naman siya, is yung kanyang advanced na outdoor sports. Mas precise ng kanyang positioning, thanks to its all-new na sunflower positioning system, mas accurate na tracking ng route mo, especially if you're doing hiking, running, and probably even cycling. So, we did a hiking test using the Huawei GT6 Pro, and na-track naman natin siya based sa aming record. It was quite accurate and it was able to give me all of the stats na kailangan ko, from step monitoring, calories burn, and pati yung buong trail ng run. Lahat yan makikita mo on the Huawei Health app if you installed it on your smartphone. I did install mine on the Huawei Nova 14 Pro. And tracking all of my trail runs and stats is definitely smooth. And hindi na naman to pang outdoor sports like running. It can even let you do a 40-meter free diving, which I haven't tested kasi never pa ako nakapag-dive all my life. Probably soon if given the chance. Pagdating sa health monitoring, kompletong-kompleto din ang Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. From ECG analysis, which is very easy to take a ECG test dito sa watch na ito. All you need to do is just suot mo na mabuti and just simply hold this terminal for 30 seconds. Yun na, makita mo na ECG reading mo. It can also give you your pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, which lets you detect irregular heartbeat and pwede mo i-send yung data to your doctor or to your family circle para medyo aware sila what's happening inside you. It's one of the precautionary measures for you to let you know what's inside yourself before things gets worse. Isa sa pinaka-tinitingnan ko on a day-to-day basis is yung sleep analysis, sleep HRV, and yung sleep breathing awareness ko or yung breathing pattern ko during the night when I'm asleep. It lets you know kung ilang oras ka natulog, kung gaano katagal ang light sleep mo, deep sleep mo, and REM sleep mo, para may idea ka lang kung gaano ka okay ang iyong tulog. And it also lets you know kung ilang beses ka nagising during the night. Most of the time, pa nakita ko nagigising ako ng hating gabi, wala akong kamalay-malay. I might be sleep talking during that time. Creepy, di ba? And it also can let you track mga stress monitoring mo, your blood oxygen level, your heart rate, and of course, yung pinaka-importante sa akin is yung step counter ko. I always set 10,000 a day. Kayo, ilang steps kayo? Now, yung pinaka-advantage nitong Pro version ng GT6 is that it has a aerospace-grade na titanium alloy na body. Sapphire glass na rin siya, by the way, and it has a 3,000 nits na max brightness sa kanyang AMOLED display. Perfect na perfect if you're under the direct sunlight, kung tumatakbo ka, kitang-kita mo lahat ng stats pa rin dito sa inyong watch. Na sobrang okay itong watch na ito pagdating sa battery life. Commitment ni Huawei is that it can give you 21 days of worry-free. Of course, it all depends kung anong setting ginagawa mo sa watch mo. Per user pattern is magkakaiba. You cannot say na bakit di umabot na 21 days if you turn on basically everything na monitoring on this watch. Pero ako, happy ako kasi I'm almost at my second week. And look guys, may 56% pa ako naiwan dito sa aking watch. And take note guys, na pagdating naman sa payment, advance din to dahil you can pair GCash on this watch to let you pay without your phone. Ayos, di ba? You don't need to whip out your phone if you want to pay using this watch. Pero of course, your phone should be nearby kasi kailangan niya ng data. And of course guys, this one comes together with a 3-month Health Plus membership. Meron siyang Smart Stay Fit plan, sleeping and stress relieving music, and meron din siyang masterclass na ino-offer. Lahat yan free for 3 months. And ang ganda din dito guys is that it's compatible both iOS and Android system. And kung gusto mo magpalit ng watch face, is also very easy. Either you switch it here sa inyong watch or you can always choose sa inyong Huawei Health app. So guys, with everything na shinare ko sa inyo dito sa Huawei Watch GT6 Pro, are you ready to take on your New Year's resolution with the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro? Let me know on the comments, and if you're interested to buy this watch, I'll post the link on the description box below kung saan na siya pwede mabili, or just simply click the YouTube shopping link na biglang lilitaw sa inyong screen para ma-redirect kayo sa Huawei store sa Shopee. So guys, kung meron kayo friends na maraming New Year's resolution and probably is thinking how to achieve it, you can always share this video to them. Itong video natin ng Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. And of course, in-encourage you to like, subscribe dito sa akin channel so you don't miss out any good reviews just like this one to start your 2026 on a high note. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.